Libuya no Dion Hoto ayiphakamise ijubela lapha ke phambili uhleli phansi mulapule salenga nale nenkundla nansi kamlo Pirates futhi ayiphetha kamnandi nalithuba right over right
I mean, I haven't seen such a talent in a while. You know, we tend to celebrate the lukewarm yarn because we're starving to see proper talent, and for me, like, I see a proper talent, and I don't think he looks like a player that was not developed. He still play street football, but he's very effective. And
oh boy, you see this guy, Relebohile Mofokeng Ratobo. What a guy, what a buccaneer. That is the tireless player that we are talking about. See, whatever happens this season, if Mofokeng wants to go, let him just go. We bid him farewell. You have done a lot for this club. Guy. And see, the best farewell for Mofokeng, if he's to leave, is to win the league this season. Come on! What a display tonight. It's not just about today now. If you don't know Mofokeng, I don't know who else you know when it comes to the PSL of South Africa. What a guy. See, I want this guy to win this league. I beg, Muna Alawa. He has put in so much work. Yes, one will.
Mawudlalile ublock, you need special players, and this boy, I think it shows even to him. He has the talent and fit confuse abantu abaningi. There's a lot of people who are okay. Let me put it this way: not many players in the country they are like this boy, especially their age. Kunabantu baba so after una 28, so travel ama team 5-6.
Yeah.
This boy is
talking about Mofokeng.
Yeah, that's why I mean I'm not about arrogant when I speak sometimes. I know players. I welcome maningi kanjengalo mfana. Intentionally, in South Africa we've got players if we can do proper research, and the mfana set the standard. It's intentionally ngesiphinde sibone mhlambe after this boy maganga it should
Kuthuzwe maye ground nasoze akhuthuzwe nje andakekho umuntu odlala ngokukhuleka kangaka eground nedlala nabantu abadala asoze uthembeni ngakhululeke kangaka eground kukhona la ke kwahlikisa khona ibhola qede wale
Always calm, composure, as he said the other